In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a brand new Apple ID. So for this, all you want to go and do is open your browser, doesn't matter which one you're using, and then search for Create Apple ID, just like this. If you then scroll down, you'll find this link over here, which will send you over to this page where you can create your own brand new Apple ID. As you can see right there, create your Apple ID. So this is where you can enter a first name. So I'll just enter some random information right here. Don't worry guys, this is not my real information. So next up, choose your country. So I'll just go with the Netherlands, just like that. You can add a birth date. So for example, maybe I'm just gonna do this at random, by the way. Make sure you use your real information. This will be your new Apple ID. So right there you can enter let's see, at Gmail, and then right there password. So yeah, this is pretty basic stuff. All I need to do is just enter information, set up your account, and that's it. Click on continue, and that's it. That's how you can create a brand new Apple ID. So if this simple and quick tutorial helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.